Garmin Enduro, the Garmin to go for if you want seriously big battery life. The Garmin Enduro isn't the most feature-rich watch in its collection, but if you want a fenix style watch that's light, has similar sports tracking abilities, and has the kind of battery performance to keep you away from your charger for a month and potentially even longer, this is a watch you want on your wrist. The Garmin Enduro is a brand new range in the company's already colossal collection of running watches, and it's one that's firmly aimed at endurance athletes. That's because along with getting a lot of the great sports tracking and outdoor features you'll find on its top-end Forerunner and Phoenix ranges, Garmin is promising seriously big battery life too. It can go up to 65 days in smartwatch mode when you factor in solar power, and offer anywhere from 70 to 80 hours of GPS battery life. On the sports tracking front, it introduces some features that have since rolled out to other Garmin watches, including the ability to VO2 max for trail runs and ultra running mode that offers a rest timer for when hitting 8 stations during races, and improved version of its Climb Pro mode. All of the key features you would expect to find on a top-end Garmin are there, like full satellite support, a heart rate monitor, a pulse ox monitor, 24/7 fitness tracking, and smartwatch features like notifications and payment. To keep the battery life big, Garmin hasn't included a music player or the kind of rich mapping support you will find on its Forerunner 945, Phoenix 6 Pro and Merc watches. You will get that typically solid overall sports tracking performance from it, and while it's a real shame that full mapping doesn't make the cut, if seriously impressive battery life along with Garmin's core features are appealing, that's what you can expect to get from Enduro. In a short, the pros are great battery life, great overall sports tracking, and nice nylon strap. And the cons are missing full mapping support, stainless steel model, feels heavier, and it's pricey.